Stop stressing over
9 to 5
bills.
workers, stop stressing over not being able to pay your bills. You now have digital marketing where you can work from home and earn 100% profit, right? 2 hours per day, one time investment, no monthly expenses. Alright, so that's 100% profit for you. You can have that to pay off your bills and take your family on vacation. Alright? Anywhere around the world that you want to be. Places you never could take them before because you didn't have enough money. So you have been working all along for years. You're in a cycle of not being able to pay your bills. You just over and over, bills always higher than your income, and you are all frustrated, depressed, and stressed, and you don't see any way out year after year, and you're not getting a raise. And if you get a raise, it's not able to help you, right? So, digital marketing, selling digital products online, learning skills of digital marketing that you can use in brick and mortar business and use back online. Yes, so check it out. Comment ready. I'll show what's going on.